Ripple XRP news breaking. Every exchange that holds XRP discovered. SEC lawsuit prediction outcome. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about Ripple XRP news and SEC lawsuit prediction outcome. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
For now, let's get back to the video straight away. As the world of cryptocurrency broke out of its incipient stages, a name showed promise: XRP. Now, it's making news for all the wrong reasons. Prominent asset managers in cryptocurrency have severed ties with XRP and its value has plummeted. Also, Ripple, a company frequently associated with XRP, faces a lawsuit that could seal its future. Authorities have placed the magnifying glass on Ripple and XRP, and the world has noticed. While some people might say it's just another example of the unstable world of cryptocurrencies, this story goes further. Ripple XRP challenges SEC lawsuit. Ripple formally filed a defense against the SEC lawsuit. SEC wanted to dismiss the lack of due process and fair notice excuse for the XRP token as a security. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, proposed a motion against Ripple XRP. Of note, the SEC filed the document purposely to reject the lack of due process and fair notice excuse for the XRP token as a security. The regulator stated, to the SEC's knowledge, no federal court has accepted a defendant's argument that the term fails to provide the constitutionally required notice. Indeed, in the realm of offers or sales of digital assets, at least 2 district courts in this circuit have rejected that argument. Precisely, SEC mentioned 2 features about how Ripple's fair notice denial will eventually cause bias on behalf of the agency. Yesterday, Ripple formally challenged the US SEC motion, and it appears to have gotten a positive impact. Moreover, the Ripple counsel defended and questioned the SEC's omissions and misrepresentations. According to Ripple, the SEC failed to disclose the key points of its accusation. Also, Ripple counsel said that the ellipses that the SEC added to the document removed the word both from what is quoted. As per Ripple counsel, SEC omitted the ending of the quotation. Continuously, the Ripple counsel added that the SEC also misinterpreted almost everything that Magistrate Judge Netburn said. Talking about SEC, XRP holders lawyer John E. Deaton expressed that it doesn't take an expert to see that plenty is very wrong, very corrupt and very outrageous about the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple. The holders of XRP, the native digital currency of the United States-based blockchain cross-border payments company Ripple, want the ongoing lawsuit between the US SEC and Ripple Labs as soon as possible. For this purpose, they filed a petition asking the Securities and Exchange Commission to end this lawsuit as well, which now has reportedly met the required number of signatures. XRP investors or holders filed their petition to Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC. In the petition, the holders requested that the independent agency of the United States should now put an end to their lawsuit filed against the blockchain payment giant Ripple. In order for the petition to be accepted, a requirement of 30,000 signatures was needed to be met, and the petition has successfully reached this requirement as Thomas Hodge, the founder of Crypto and Policy, was able to get 30,000 signatures. The main claim of XRP supporters and Hodge is that the Securities and Exchange Commission has already done enough damage to the investors and holders of XRP during this lawsuit, as the holders had to face a loss of billions of dollars. Petitioners have asked the SEC in the petition that the agency should need to terminate this lawsuit, and they should revise their strategy for regulating the digital asset industry in a proper way. Moreover, they have requested that the real motive behind this lawsuit should be investigated as well. Request the SEC Inspector General conduct a thorough investigation of the matters that led to the last-minute lawsuit against Ripple, filed on the last day in office by former SEC Chairman Jay Clayton. We demand an investigation that fully clarifies whether the SEC was protecting someone else's interests instead of retail investors when the Ripple lawsuit was filed in December 2020. Right after Ripple filed its memorandum of law in opposition to the SEC's motion to strike on Thursday, the regulatory body reverted back with its own memorandum of law, one requesting the court to deny the individual defendants' motions. In the same, the SEC alleged that Ripple executive Chris Larsen approved and directed Ripple's unregistered offers and sales of XRP, claiming that he personally promoted XRP as an investment with an expectation of profit from Ripple's efforts. The SEC asserted that Ripple's exec was aware that Ripple's offers of XRP were investment contracts. According to the regulatory agency, Larsen was aware that such offers and sales could be wrongful under certain circumstances. It added, the complaint pleads that Larson was aware of his overall role in Ripple's illegal distribution, that his own financial interests were aligned with Ripple's interests, and that he took steps to further them. As for Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, the SEC alleged that he treated XRP like an investment and was incentivized to increase XRP's trading price and volume. According to the same, Garlinghouse understood the nature of the asset and made extensive sales to monetize his compensation. The aforementioned submission also blamed the execs for violating Section 5. The execs, in the SEC's opinion, have been making meritless arguments in their own submissions. In its latest filing, the SEC also reiterated an argument it had made previously, namely, knowledge means awareness of the underlying facts, not the labels that the law places on those facts. The defendants, the SEC finally argued, engaged in domestic offers and sales of securities that failed to comply with regulations. According to the SEC, the defendants and Ripple Labs made extensive offers of XRP to U.S. investors through marketing statements on Ripple's website, Twitter account, and YouTube channel, and US-based finance programs, while also pointing out that they had discussed the risks and potential rewards of buying XRP. Larson, on the contrary, has previously argued that the SEC had not provided guidance in the digital asset space prior to 2017. The SEC, however, clarified that the claims for monetary compensation against Larson were timely for conduct between September 1, 2015 to the date of filing the complaint. It argued, Larson explicitly acknowledged that he was running risk that he would be considered the issuer of securities by the SEC in exchange for significant financial compensation. Larson committed a discrete violation of Section 5, with each unregistered offer and each unregistered sale. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission's decision to file a lawsuit against Ripple Labs has had a big impact. This unprecedented move can have a far-reaching impact on the cryptocurrency market. Whether XRP is a security or not has been a long-debated topic, but this has become the prime focus of the lawsuit, and the verdict of this case will also question if the Howey test is even relevant in this day and age. SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce had previously criticized the Howey test used by the Supreme Court to determine whether an asset is a security. According to her, the Howey test has had some challenges over the years when being applied to the digital currency industry. What remains certain is an urgent need for clear cryptocurrency regulations. This was yet again highlighted by Stuart Alderete, Ripple's general counsel. According to Alderete, the environment of regulatory uncertainty in the U.S. which was a major cause of concern. He stated, the SEC continues to regulate the space through enforcement rather than adopting laws, rules, or regulations. He further expressed, America's regulation by enforcement strategy is already driving innovators away to countries like Japan, Singapore, the UK, and Switzerland that has established a clear regulatory framework for crypto. The US is creating uncertainty that hurts markets and consumers while hampering the drive for innovative new approaches to cross-border payments, financial inclusion, and more. Ripple is making news on Thursday as the crypto prepares for another face-off with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, later this month. A telephonic conference between Ripple and the SEC has been set for May 21st. This will have the SEC pushing for legal documents from Ripple concerning legal advice it has gotten concerning the regulatory status of XRP. Magistrate Judge Netburn will be overseeing the telephonic conference between the two organizations. The SEC is no doubt hoping to gain some ground on its lawsuit against Ripple, but there's still no ruling against the crypto company. The battle between Ripple and the SEC has been going on for months now. The latest hearing took place on April 30th. Based on how Ripple investors reacted on Twitter, they seem confident that XRP is going to beat the SEC in this lawsuit. There are also reasons to believe that Ripple plans to keep pushing on. That includes plans for an initial public offering, IPO. The crypto company was considering one before the lawsuit and apparently is still making moves toward going public. It's worth pointing out that XRP has been performing incredibly well this year in terms of growth. The crypto is up 493.9% since the start of the year despite the legal battle with the SEC. That's also surprising since the cryptocurrency is only available to trade on a couple of exchanges. That's also due to other exchanges avoiding XRP while the lawsuit is underway. XRP was down 8.6% over a 24-hour period on Thursday morning. Investors that are looking for more Ripple crypto news are in luck. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.